Hello, and I hope you guys are doing great. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about traffic light classification. So we're basically going to be building this app right here. And if you notice, we have some traffic signals. And basically, these traffic signals are just purely images, so there's no indication of what kind of traffic signal it is, but we are going to be training this machine learning model using basically a neural net technique called convolutional neural network. And the good news is we don't have to worry about the algorithm itself, because what we are going to be doing is we are going to be leveraging services of IBM Watson, and we will simply take these images, batch them up, and upload them. And next thing is basically you just click off a button and you're gonna train your model. And once you have trained your model, what we're gonna do is we're gonna download Core ML model and then use it to generate this app. All right, so there are some things involved basically, so we're going to be looking at that. And I hope if you have if you've been following along, then the last classifier that we trained, it showed step by step on how to do the registration, and then what all things to do to basically get your Watson account running, and then basically create your very first model. Okay, so hope you are excited to jump on this. And in the next video, we are going to be basically looking at how to train your model, and while the model is training, we actually work on the app. All right, I'll see you guys in next video then. Thank you.